waited so long to open this. Hurry up.
There's a knob next to you.
Yeah, I know that.
Anywho. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Welcome back to the Curious Kiwis. Today we have a very exciting video for you. It is Today we have our geostuff.com order. It arrived in the mail.
.au.
Today we have our geostuff.com.au.
Very good, lady.
And we're going to open it. It was shipped to us on the 5th. We made the order on the 1st. It was shipped to us on the 5th. And it arrived 2 days ago. So that was the 15th. Oh no, it arrived yesterday. It arrived on the 16th.
Yes.
That was pretty quick.
Yeah.
Less than 2 weeks, which is pretty good for Oz. We're going to be unboxing it for you today. And we're excited because this also means that we can now place our own geocaches.
But yeah, we got a sack full of goodies.
We were both waiting for a nice big box because if you, by the way, check out below our video of us ordering the stuff.
By the way, are we gonna call this unboxing, or are we gonna call it unsacking or unbagging? Unbagging. Cut, lady, cut. Where were we? So here's our unboxing video. Ta 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 ta! Now we can call it an unboxing video.
So yeah, we have our geostuff.com.au order to unbox for you, but we also bought some new other geocaching equipment.
Yeah.
We bought some lighting for night caching, and we're going to go night caching as soon as we can. So we will also be testing that in this video at the end for you.
Let's unbox, unsack,
Yes.
unwrap, unbag.
Oh, I've been waiting so long for this.
Ta 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 ta.
That's going to be funny. Ready?
Yes. More sacks. Hey, Ziploc bags.
Number 1. We have
the DNA thingies.
Yeah, we have the.
Well, that's Ziploc number 1. That's Ziploc bag number 1. Wasted.
Tank! Ta-da! The
So it's a
micro container. We got 10 of those.
Yeah.
Log strips.
Geocaching.com official log sheet. Please sign and date. Tata.
So we got 5 of those.
These are just normally water.
No, they're water right ones. It's got on the inside of it. See?
Oh yeah. Huh.
More log strip.
Right in the rain again.
Right in the rain.
Just a big version
Same
of
thing.
the small one.
Yeah, indeed.
By the way, we almost got our first FDF today.
Oh yeah, we were gonna go for it. We've been waiting since like what, 9:30 or something in the morning? Because I was still at work until 12, 12:15. Oh, first to find.
What?
Not too close.
You smell.
More log strips.
Yep.
Some specimen containers.
By the way,
Need to go get some
focus like this.
Oh yeah, this camera's fantastic.
When it decides to be.
Ta-da! Oh, it's heavy.
Well, do you want me to state the obvious? It's a rock.
So this is the fake rock.
It rocks. And I think you just have to peel this one. Yeah, there we go. Should just take that one off. Ta-ta! There's a little lock sheet inside.
It's nice because that's ready to place, basically.
Sure.
Alright, now for the other little baggie.
Who?
What?
Oh, I thought the trackable would have been way bigger.
No! Are we tracking with us? The O-rings?
Stickers. Ta-ta. No. You done?
Stressed me out. Anyway.
What was that? Oh yeah, it's like, oh, if you found these, blah, 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 blah.
Laminated cards.
Yeah. Please do not disturb. This is an official game piece. Refer to geocaching.com for details. If you found this container, but Oh no, what? I can't remember.
Geocaches. Look,
What is it?
the geocaches.
Oh!
So they're magnets, basically. They're magnets, but they've got logs attached to the back of them. Which is pretty cool, I think. Next thing, bisons. Mini bisons with log strips.
They're pretty!
I think they're all different sizes. Look, little. Next one. That's cool. Just log strips in here.
Ta-da! Oh, that's nice. Look at that shot. That's great. Oh, it's the gum.
Oh, shit. Oh, it squishes like gum. Chewing gum.
So there's a little nano inside.
What's that? Oh, these are... I hope that wasn't a shot. Nanos.
My phone is magnet too. Yeah, we got a black one and a silver one. What is it, lady?
Yeah, it's fine. Last but
It's
not
so
least.
much smaller than I thought. I thought it would be about.
No,
this
you're joking. Look at that, Bim
Bim Bim! It sort of looks like it, Bim Bim, doesn't it? Well, that was nice.
Well, that rocked. That was fun.
Yeah.
So that was it for our geocaching supplies. Onto the...
Torches. And it looks cool. But yeah, we bought these headlights and they were just $14. They last about 3 hours. They're 100 lumens, which is really bright.
Okay, we're going to film this nice and quick because we're having a lot of technical difficulties.
There's a lot of like screen coloring
Differences.
and position differences. We bought this one for about $40, I think. It's 400 lumens. It is waterproof. It lasts 8 hours. It has an adjustable focus. You have a different focus. You can see it like this. Ta-da! Sorry, lady. Last but not least, we bought this one. A really nice compact work light. 1400 lumens. That's as bright as a 100-watt light bulb. It is really bright.
I looked into it yesterday for 2 minutes and I burnt my retinas. Oh, don't drop it!
It's really bright. Oh yeah, it has a battery indicator on it. Comes with a neat little hook. You like to do it. You just stand it up like that. Rechargeable wise, it comes with USB, car adapter, and a power plug. So you can basically charge it everywhere. Woman! Dumbass!
Yeah, that's everything we bought. So now I'm going to Have you finished? Great. So now I'm going to insert all of the night testing footage of the lights. Alright people, imagine there is a giant tree in front of the camera. Handsome, are you ready?
Almost, right?
What are you lighting first?
Big work light.
Okay, so this is the big work light. Go.
1, 2, 3.
Look at that.
So you have like the work light like that, and then you have this. Ta-ta. And then you can look for the fish like that. Oh, found the bison.
Oh jeez. So yeah, this is gonna make for intense geocaching. Not very stealthy, but I'm good in non-populated areas. Shine it at me. Yoink. That's cool though. This is just his headlamp, people. Look at the... Oh, look at that thing. That's not what you want to see while geocaching. That was my mother, everyone.
Whoa, that was great, wasn't it?
That was fantastic.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed this video and all
Yes.
that fun footage.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed it. We did. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button.
And don't forget the notification bell.
And leave us a comment. Let us know what you thought of the equipment that we bought, what you thought of the geocaching supplies that we bought. And hopefully our next videos will be hiding our own geocaches. Thank you for watching.
Yes, like, subscribe, comment.
And we will see you next time.
Bye. Then? No, I can clean all this shit up, lady.
You can clean all this shit up.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how it works.
It's always me
Here
cleaning
you
up.
go.
You can be
Clean
like,
it up.
oh, look at this, look
Clean
at
it
this,
up.
look at this. And then who has to clean it up? The man. What?
Bye.